Black circle tick, the correct option. 1. How can meteorologists keep people safe from severe weather? A. They stop severe weather. B. They warn people about severe weather. C. They name severe weather. D. They face the severe weather. 2. The sun warms it quickly. A. Air. B. Soil. C. Trees deforming. 3. The true statement is: A. Spring is colder than winter. B. Winter and spring have about the same temperature. C. Winter is hotter than spring. D. Winter is colder than spring. 4. It needs wind to move. A. Kites. B. Cars. C. Bikes. D. Buses. Black circle right short answers. 1. Define temperature. A and S. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. 2. What is humidity? A and S. The amount of water vapors in the air is called humidity. 3. How does climate change with the distance from the equator? A and S. Climate of areas around equator is very hot. Climate of areas around North and South poles is very cold. Climate of areas between polar zone and tropical zone is moderate. 4. Why is the air very cold in the polar zone? A and S. Because sunlight hit the land most slanted. That's why the air is very cold in the polar zone. 5. What is the difference between hail and snow? A and S. Snow forms in clouds when air temperature is below freezing point. And hail is also solid precipitation. It usually falls during thunderstorm. 1. What is the difference between weather and climate? A and S. Weather changes from day to day. However, the weather in any area follows a pattern. Climate is the pattern of weather that an area has over many years. 2. Define precipitation. Name its some forms. A and S. Water that falls from clouds is called precipitation. When water vapors in the cloud reach some cold region, they become water droplets. When water droplets in clouds become too heavy to float in the air, they fall. Rain and snow are the form of precipitation. 3. What are some tools to measure weather? A and S. We use these tools to measure weather. I. For air temperature, we use thermometer. 2. For wind, we use anemometer. 3. For air pressure, we use barometer. 4. For air humidity, we use hygrometer. D. For precipitation, we use rain gauge. 4. What are the factors that affect the climate of an area? A and S. The factors that affects the climate of an area are following. I. Altitude. Altitude affects the climate. There are more rainfall at higher altitudes. 2. Distance from the coast. Distance from the coast also affects the climate. Areas near the coast have more rainfall. Air temperature is not too high or too low. Black circle use the clues to fill in the missing letters. 1. Wind moving air. 2. Weather the condition of air. 3. Temperature how hot or cold something is. 4. Precipitation, water that falls. From clouds.